Goedemiddag allemaal. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Amori. If you're new in my channel, welcome. So for today's video, I am preparing our meal for 3 days. Usually I do this if I have time. So I have a new diet. Like, I'm going to be 80% vegetarian together with Bob, because I think we need to do it again, because from the last 3 years we were vegetarian, and then a couple of years we ate meat because he's running. But now, guys, I'm going to do some different diet, because we love to eat vegetables and I always forgot that we are vegetarian most of the time. Well, ang gulo, diba? But because, guys, now I'm doing a veggies in the pan. So what I am planning is to eat more vegetables, then 20% meat, which is, our meat is fish and tofu and chicken. No baboy, no beef. Maybe there's a beef, but if Bob is going to run, that's it. All of the things that I want to eat is vegetables. I'm gonna try that for this year, because I realize I gained so much weight. I gained 5 kilos for the past 3 years. Cauliflower, I just rinse it and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Actually, I forgot to boil it, but for sure it will do it in the oven because I cut it really thin. It should be 200, the highest heat in your oven. So 230 or 220 is fine. 45 minutes. Because I want to grill it. So I want to grill it. Anyway, look. So I'm going to do that. Let's see if it is work. So guys, the cauliflower is ready. So, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng salt, by the way. Kasi kailangan yung lagyan ng salt after. So, yung tofu naman, kailangan natin rock salt, guys. Yung buo-buo na ganito. So, sabi ko naman sa inyo, ayoko ng madaming salt. It's just a pinch. So, let's try. Kasi ang susunod naman natin, oh, grabe. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. Swear. Look. Ito yung grilled demo. Sarap. Di pa ako kumakain ng lunch actually. Magugustuhan niya Babyo. Natawag na tayo ng air fryer. Ito naman si tofu. Look at that. I did some olive oil for this, guys. Yeah, I think. Then, ang gagawin ko, lalagyan ko naman siya ng salt and pepper. Let's see, where can I put some here. This is finished. I can put it here. Pepper. Look at that. So, ang ginagamit ko lagi, guys, olive oil. Kasi, hindi nga pwede sa tiyan namin ni Bob yung, hindi sa nag-iinarte kami. Kaso, talagang, hindi na kami talaga sanay sa hindi olive oil. Kaya, Tsaka hindi na kami sanay sa hindi air fryer and oven. Hindi kami nag-iinarte, pero talagang siya namin, grabe. Kami yung nagsasuffer. So, hindi ko pinalutong lahat dahil air fryer yon. Hindi naman lulutong lahat dahil dalawang tofu yun. Try din natin. Nice. Tama-tama lang yung pagkakaluto na. Wala siyang lasa kasi nga hindi ko naman siya binudbulan bago isa lang yung toka. Pero okay to sa amin ni Baba. Guys, so nilagay ko na siya sa gulay. Nung niluto ko para ito na yung kakainin namin ni Bab with fish. Pwede ko din actually ito isama yung bloom cole or cauliflower. Ito yung cauliflower guys. But masarap siyang papakin kaya hindi ko siya isasama. So haluin lang natin. Kasi mainit pa siya, nasa ano siya, iron pan. Kaya super init pa niya, guys. Look. Ayoko kasi ng lutong-luto yung ano siya? Which is pwede kami kumain ni Bob ng rice with this, pero hindi kasi meat. So, fish lang. So, gawa tayo ng sauce nung kakain na din kami actually. Lagyan muna kayo dito. So guys, Bob wants to say hi. Still on his pajama and me too. But we don't. So guys, interrupt tayo. This is the salmon. Then, maghiwa lang ako ng lemon. Usually, nilalagay ko na yung lemon dito, guys. Para masarap siya. Tanggalin muna natin yung buto kasi ang hirap magtanggal eh. Pero yung lemon na ito, ang daming buto. I don't know why, but so, dahil kami lang naman ni Babang kakain, I do it with my hand. So, lahat naman tayo kinakamay, guys. Kahit nasa restaurant, kinakamay nila yan. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng salt and pepper. Konting salt, konting pepper. Salt. Konting salt lang, guys. Pepper. Then, because nag-iwa na tayo nito, lagyan natin siya ng dalawa. Then, lagyan natin siya ng herbs. This one, I have herbs. Actually, pang pasta to, aglio olio pasta. So, very hot siya. I mean, hot like, hot. Paano ko ba i-explain sa inyo hot siya? So, very manghang. So, ito na pala yung honey. Yung honey, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng honey. Tapak natin. I-oven natin siya, guys, for 25 minutes. Then salt, more, konti lang, like a teaspoon of salt. So, para lang hindi mag-burn yung salmon, lagyan natin to. So guys, let's eat. Eaten. So I have my juice.
Guys, kain tayo.
I have my salmon. I have my what is this? Lemon and toyo kebab.
Toyo ka?
May toyo ka. Then my bloom coal or cauliflower. Bloom coal kasi dito sa Dutch yun, guys. So, I have our rice. This is leftover from last night. So, this is egg letter. Pwede nyo din siguro itong ihawin. Kung wala kayong oven, di ba, no?
Pwede grill.
Kasi grill nga siya, kaso wala nga kaming griller. Harap. Sabi. Kaya naman konting salt lang talaga yung nilagay ko. Para lumasa na yung salt. Try it without that. Much more lighter.
Sarap.
Then you have toyo and toyo mo.
Toyo ka?
Ikaw.
Oo.
Guys, pasensya na kasi mga suot namin. Wala kasi kami talagang plans ngayon. Kasi hanggang ngayon, si Bob naka-bathrobe pa. At ako, naka-pajama pa. Sarap. Ito yung diet namin ngayon. Pwede naman kumain ng rice, pero brown. Pero hindi talaga kami makain ng white since then. Except na lang, nung nagbakasyon kami, white talaga yung sinaserve.
No choice eh.
Hindi kami kumain sa mga Michelin restaurant sa Germany kasi hindi nga ako pwede, 'di ba? Sayang yung booking. Tapos kapag Michelin kasi doon, masyado silang karne, beef, ay baboy, no?
Karne. Hindi naman tayo
meat, ayoko nga. Sinakain ko din yung balat ng salmon kasi
sarap yun.
Sarap. Yung crispy kasi siya dahil may olive oil. Guys, di kami magmamayaman kasi ito talaga mabibili mo sa grocery, di ba? Salmon lang.
May ibang choice.
Wala kang choice. Hindi naman kami pupunta mostly ng palengke. Kaya hindi talaga kami makakabili ng fish na may bone.
Wala kang time.
Wala kang time. Kasi dadayuhin mo pa yun dun sa Kinkerstraat o kaya sa Albert Quick Market. Wala na tayong time. Maybe pag nandito sila, pupunta ka dun kasi bibili ka ng 1 kilo. Kasi walang kilo dito eh. No? Sa morning.
Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
Hi guys! Goedemorgen allemaal. Good morning. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning here. And I'm going to my dentist. Someone is filming in this side. I think they have a shooting, so a movie. And today is Thursday. And I hope guys you have a wonderful day or week that has passed. And yeah, I'm happy. I slept well, and I hope you guys slept well too. So yeah, samahan niyo ako to go to my dentist. So ayan na nga, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Some of them are busy shooting. Still dark because it's autumn. It's October. So I think the sun will shine around after maybe 8:15, 8:30. I don't know. Yeah, but this is Amsterdam in 8 o'clock every October. It's really windy actually. And the weather is currently 15 degrees Celsius but feels like 10 because it's really windy. I don't know if you can see, but this is windy. Kind of. Yeah, I think you can hear it on my mic. So I just finished my dentist, guys. It's 8:18 in the morning. Actually, I'm early because our appointment is 8:20 and I go there around 8:10. But that was fine because he doesn't have any patient. So he managed to assist me early. So now I'm going to the grocery store, close by, of course. So it's going to rain, so I need to walk very quick because I don't have any umbrella, and it's going to rain, I think, in a few minutes. So I don't know how to go or cross the street now on the next street because the street are under construction. So guys, I'm home. So hindi ko na kayo nasama because I'm too busy with my grocery shopping. What I bought, pakikita ko sa inyo. I'm gonna show you. I bought, because I already did it in the cart, which is 2 bacon because we have a visitor. So this is for our lunch every day because we always ate sandwich. I bought some eggs. Well, I have 10 eggs, which is in here. So I bought some sandwich spread, like the old cheese, and tonight means tuna. 2 bread, which is wheat bread, a lemon, a cucumber, bell pepper or paprika, mushroom, white mushroom. Yeah, and zesto, which is packed juice, and this sinus apple, or it tastes like royal. So I think that was it for today, but I need to organize things right now, so we'll see you later. So single espresso. So mag-a-adjust tayo dito kasi guys, sumobra siya. So mag-a-adjust tayo dyan. The single espresso, nilalagay ko lang siya in 20 seconds. Kasi, or 18 because it's just a single. Di pa nga siya but that's how creamy it is. Because cappuccino lang naman yung gagawin ko. So let's do this. So painitin natin ang ating gawaan ng milk. I mean steamer ng milk.
natin, guys. Tumapon pa. Yun lang yun. Hindi na ako mag-art kasi kami lang naman ang iinom. Maliit lang siya kasi cappuccino, guys. So, let's prepare our breakfast with some scrambled eggs and spinach. I always love spinach because I need it to my iron deficiency. It helps actually. Egg and spinach, it helps. Hindi ako nilalata. So, some salt, some pepper. Yeah, I put pepper on my scramble and my Benedict's or whatever. So instead of using oil, I use butter. Butter. Instead. So, binablanch ko muna siya, yung spinach. Then, tsaka ko lalagay yung egg. So, spread natin yung spinach. Then, that was it.